The Reading Wizards Phonics Lessons for Kids. Teaching videos, interactive follow-up activities, and assessments. Great for the classroom and at home. Here's a preview of Lesson 43, words ending with EW, plus the two sounds of G.
Tell me, Elliot, what did you order from Sonia's famous kitchen?
Well, Atlanta, I'm starting off my lunch with a cup of hot tea. I asked Sonia to brew it fresh for me, and she complied.
Here's a word you might remember from your kitten days. Ew. Mew. Hey, that's what I used to say when I was just a little cute kitten.
What is that fly doing in my stew?
It looks like it's doing the backstroke.
Ew.
There is a fly in the stew. Well, I hope they don't charge extra for that. Next, we will learn about the two sounds of G. Sometimes G makes the G sound, and sometimes it makes the J sound. J? You mean the same sound that the letter J makes? Yes, if the letter G has an E, an I, or a Y after it, it can make the J sound.
This is the word giant. Notice that the letter I comes right after the letter G. G is making a J sound. Wait just a moment. There is a giant standing right next to me.
Now, a gentleman is polite to others. A gentleman answers the phone with a friendly voice.
Duke, my girlfriend Geraldine says I'm getting pudgy again. That's this word, pudgy, pudgy.
Well, if you're getting pudgy, why don't you go to the gym? That's this word, gym. And a gentleman always knocks on the refrigerator door before opening it.
Dad, why does a gentleman always knock on the refrigerator door before opening it?
We are offering the first 5 lessons for free. That's right, you can get your child started with 5 free lessons, and we strive to keep the remaining lessons affordable. You can buy 1 lesson at a time or buy bundles of lessons to save money. Here's how to get started. Go to our website, thereadingwizards.org, and click on the Get Lessons tab. The Reading Wizards want to help your child unlock the mysteries of reading and have some fun doing it. Check us out today. The Reading Wizards from Lucky Cat Productions.